There are times when we lose our important data from our computer, USB drive, external hard disk, or SD cards, which includes photos, videos, documents, etc. And this may be caused due to an accident, or maybe you made some mistake and because of which you have lost your important files and documents. Now stop worrying about this data loss because this data are recoverable, and in this video I'll show you the best software to recover files, photos, and other data in 2023. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Basically, if you search for best data recovery software in the internet, you will get applications like Windows File Recovery, which is not a bad recovery software, but the method of execution of recovery is really difficult, and also the success rate of recovery is very low. And when we're talking about important data, wasting time is something we cannot risk. That's why we'll be using the best of the best, which is nothing but AnyRecover. Now, AnyRecover is available for Windows, macOS, iOS, as well as Android, so it doesn't matter where you have lost your data, as AnyRecover has got you covered. And also it supports more than 1,000 different file formats, which includes photos, videos, archives, emails, audio files, etc. Along with that, AnyRecover offers unlimited free scan and preview as well as free recovery for 200 megabytes. So you can always seal the guarantee of satisfaction by pre-testing the software before the eventual purchase. Check the video description or go to their official AnyRecover website to download the tool for free and begin the recovery process. After installation, plug in your external hard drive, USB drive, SD card from where you have lost your data, or if you lost your files from your internal hard drive, then you can skip this step. Alright, now run AnyRecover. Select the drive where you have lost your files. For me, it will be F drive as I lost my files and documents from the USB drive. Now AnyRecover will scan your drive for your lost data, and it will take some time depending on the size of your storage device, and I would suggest you to enjoy a cup of coffee or call a friend while you wait. After the scanning process is completed, you can find all your files from here. Now, if you're not sure which file is which or which to choose, you can also preview the files before recovering them, which is an amazing feature that we have in AnyRecover. To preview, just double-click on the file, and there you can see the file is intact. Now, once you're sure about the files that you want to recover them, just select them, and after that, click on the orange Recover button. Next, you will need to select the location where you want to paste in your recovered data. For me, I'll choose my desktop for better reachability. Again, wait a few seconds. And there you will have all your files recovered successfully. Now you can see it for yourself how easy and effective it is to use AnyRecover to recover your lost files. And I also want to thank AnyRecover team for letting me try this recovery tool and help me in making this video. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.